Oh, God.
So here's what we're starting with. We've got basically a little bit of sound dampening panels on the top, these interesting plastic panels on the side, and then the flooring that this came with. But we're going to rip all this up, and that way we can insulate and start with our floors.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
Some kind of German wood.
Okay, so today we're going to build sort of a grid on our floor, basically a joist system. So it's going to give us some stuff to nail to or screw to later, which is good. But also it's going to help support the insulation we put on the floor so that we're not shrinking it down as we're stepping on it. We're going to have these going all the way from the back of the van up to the front of the van, the long way. And you're going to see, if you can see close, I don't know if you can get in, and there's little X's that have already been marked out.
Oh yeah, I already marked out X's.
Yeah. And so this will show you about how far apart they're going to be. So again, it's only about a foot. So we're just using normal heavy-duty liquid nails. You can buy it in any hardware store. And that'll be what we're going to attach this to the floor with.
Okay. Ready to get it?
We are ready to get it.
Okay.
Do we fold it up and let it dry then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
And tomorrow is another day.
Another day.
I gotta keep eating low carb, love. Low carb. Maybe not no carb, but low carb. And is a little bit of a clean freak. Just putting that out there. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Got a little spot to sit here.
Yeah.
Morning. It's the next day.
Yep.
And our boards are mostly dry. Found a couple suspect ones as we were cleaning this morning. Why do we clean?
Well, I want to know where if there's any rust spots, any places that need to be touched up with paint.
Do you want to talk about the cathartic process of cleaning things?
Mike and I both love cleaning.
Coming out here and cleaning centers me.
Oh, yeah?
It's like a meditative act. I need to slow down, and the cleaning process slows me down to where I can not just be like, let's do this, let's do that, bah, 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 and then everything's terrible, right? So that's why.
Okay.
That's why I clean.
I see.
Do I like it? No.
Okay. So we have some other projects we want to do today. So part of it is definitely the floor. We want to get the insulation in, then we're going to put our old floor, the old subfloor back in and reuse that.
So yeah, we have a couple suspect small joists that really didn't have enough material to stick them down very well. The long ones are stuck really well, but we're going to come back in with some more liquid nails, re-glue some of the smaller ones that are a little bit suspect. I'm going to come in with a brad gun and just connect them to our long joists. As long as it's not too windy, we'll be all right.
Oh yeah, very loose.
Need some right here. This. Ow. Woohoo!
Careful, Michael.
Right out the knuckle, man.
Right? You can feel that breeze, huh? Good job.
Yeah, good job. Holes.
It's a scratch right there.
Yeah.
Right here. You see that, right? What about these things up here? Like.
I'm looking around. I'm trying to help. I'm looking for spots.
Okay. Okay, so it's late afternoon. We finished this up. We thought it was going to be a project that was going to take us a couple hours. It took us all day. And it wasn't always so much fun.
Now, this stuff, you know, when you're working with a project with your significant other, sometimes you're going to have problems. But it's okay to understand that, like, you're both frustrated. And when you're working with polypropylene or polystyrene or whatever this is, it just, those little white dots get everywhere, and it's a nightmare.
Us, in your eyes, in your hair, all over your
Now,
dog.
you're going to find little white dots everywhere for weeks.
I guarantee it.
Maybe wear some kind of face mask when you're working with this stuff. We didn't all day. And there's no telling how much of this stuff is in my sinuses and lungs.
I'm aware of some of it. I took in a deep breath at one point and managed to get in definitely a few things that I know are there. We're a little tired, so we're going to go back in and we'll be really kind to each other. So
Yeah.
we'll make sure that our evening is good together. Have some dinner.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you want to follow along with the rest of this build. There will be a playlist for all van-related build content. There'll be a playlist, so you can go look for it. And that's it. What else? You got anything else?
I don't know.
I think that's it. So.
That's it.
Oh, my finger.